Today, we bring you a showdown between two giants in the winter SUV tire world: the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV and the Continental WinterContact TS 870p. Both are designed for ultimate safety, precision, and confidence in winter driving, but which one will come out on top? Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. In wet conditions, safety is key. The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV stops in 35.2 meters, slightly better than the Continental WinterContact TS 870p by 0.5 meters. Though close, it could be crucial in emergencies. In subjective wet handling, Michelin scores 8 out of 10, outperforming Continental 6 out of 10. However, lap times are nearly identical, showing both tires offer excellent control on wet surfaces. Snow braking is crucial in winter. The Michelin stops in 29.8 meters compared to Continental stopping distance of 31.2 meters, which is a 1.4 meter difference that could be significant. For snow handling, Michelin is 1.8 seconds faster per lap and scores 10 out of 10 in driver confidence, while Continental scores 8 out of 10, showing Michelin's superior performance and control. On dry roads, the competition tightens. Both tires perform admirably in dry braking, with the Michelin stopping just half a meter sooner. In subjective dry handling, both Michelin and Continental score 9 out of 10. However, the Continental showcases superior agility, clocking a faster lap time by 2.1 seconds. While Michelin may have the edge in precise control, Continental proves itself with impressive speed. The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV is quieter at 71.2 decibels versus Continental's 71.8 decibels and scores 9 out of 10 in comfort compared to Continental's score of 8. However, Continental excels in rolling resistance, offering better fuel efficiency. Michelin leads in noise and comfort, but Continental has the edge in efficiency. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV excels in snow, wet handling, and comfort. On the other hand, the Continental WinterContact TS 870p excels in dry handling and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.